Hello, I'm going to go through part G of question 1 on the 2013 math paper. And so this question gives us this polynomial Pn, and it wants us to find out what the remainder is when Pn of x is divided by Pn minus 1 of x. So it's a good idea to make things as simple as possible before we try working with them. So if we look at what Pnx is, then we can try and simplify this so if I collect all of the x terms and all of the number terms, well, we're going to have n x's because we're getting one x from each bracket. So we have nx, and then we're going to have minus 1 plus 2 plus all the way up to n. And so we see that this is equal to, we know that the sum of the first n integers is just n plus 1 over 2. So this is what Pn is, and what is Pn minus 1? So Pn minus 1 of x is just going to be n minus 1 x minus n minus 1 times n over 2, just using this but substituting in n minus 1 for n. Okay, so let's just divide Pn by Pn minus 1. So we're going to get this, and then let's try and factorize the top somehow so we can divide the bottom out of it. So if we note that the bottom is n minus 1 times x minus n over 2, then maybe if we can try and get an x minus n over 2 out of the top, then we'll be able to divide through and then get our remainder. So the top is just equal to this, and that's just from factorizing the n's out. And so we see that's equal to this. So, sorry, this first term is from these two terms, and then I've taken the half and put it over here by itself. And so we can see for this first bit, we have these cancelling off the top and the denominator. Oops, sorry, I made a mistake. This here should be an n, because of course we have a minus n times a half for this last term. So this bit is the bit that we can't divide through by the denominator. So this here on the bottom is still p of n minus 1 x. And so we see that our remainder is just going to be this bit that doesn't divide by p to the n minus 1. So it's going to be n minus n over 2, and that is d.